YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos for you guys on Zodiac's TR2D suction side pool cleaner. So stay tuned, we're going to show you guys how to tear this thing apart from the outside in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we're going to do some quick fix videos for you guys on Zodiac's TR2D suction side pool cleaner. You guys can tell that we've kind of already stripped it down. If you guys want to know how we got where we are right now, make sure you guys check out the playlist in the description. It'll actually walk you guys through those first few videos to show you where we're at right now. But for today's video, I wanted to show you guys how to remove and install the two washers that come with the TR2D suction side pool cleaner. They are important to the actual functionality of the cleaner. It helps seal certain parts as well as helps wear on a lot of the plastic pieces. So if they wear down or if they are not there, you guys definitely want to purchase those. We have those in the links in the description for you. There are two to the cleaner. They do come as a single pack, so you don't have to purchase them separately. Everything is always together. But I do want to show you the two locations so that way you guys are aware of them. So if you're familiar with how to remove the hand nut, once you actually remove the hand nut, you're going to flip it over, and there's actually a washer right here on the back of the hand nut. This is just a slim, it's a smooth washer. It's just meant to help reduce the friction here between the top of the actual internal cassette and the plastic frame. So here's one of them for you, and then if you go ahead and remove this internal diaphragm and set this off to the side, you guys will actually look down in through the actual body of the cleaner here, and you guys can see that there's another one that's located right here on the bottom. So go ahead, drop that out. This one is directional, so this one you do want to make sure that you install properly. It has special ridges similar to the hand nut, so when you do install this one, you want to make sure that those ridges are facing down when you insert it in. As you guys can kind of see from the internal part here to the cleaner in the frame, it has that same similar design, so you do want to make sure you follow that by putting this down. You guys can go ahead and drop it in there. If it falls over or doesn't go in right the first time, you guys can kind of move it around from the bottom as well as from the top, so that way you guys aren't sitting here fighting it. It does have little prongs on the side that will just help make sure that it sits level. And then once you install that one, you're going to go ahead, reinstall your internal cassette. Make sure that that top washer, again, this one does not matter which direction is what, they're both smooth sides. You're going to go ahead and make sure that it's re-pushed in. It's pressure fit into this hand nut, so if it doesn't actually sit there to the point where you can kind of shake the hand nut, it's time to get a new hand nut. So that's one way you can know that this is actually wearing and causing you issues. So once you install them both, you're just going to go ahead and slip that over, re-tighten down your hand nut, get that deflector wheel, and you're good to go. So really appreciate you guys watching. Again, check out the links in the description, the playlist, all of the above for you guys. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe. Until then, Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.